How vast is the universe, and how insignificant are we? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how many galaxies are there in the universe? And how many stars, like our Sun, are scattered across this cosmic ocean? Let's start with our own galaxy, the Milky Way. If you could look down on the Milky Way from a cosmic vantage point, you wouldn't even be able to spot Earth. That's because every shimmering point of light you see isn't a planet or satellite, it's a star. Just like our Sun, blazing with unimaginable energy. And Earth, orbiting one of these stars, is nothing more than a speck of dust comparable to a bacterium in a giant's body. Yet even these colossal, burning stars, so vast and powerful, are themselves just tiny glimmers in the grand expanse of the Milky Way, spanning over 100 light-years in diameter. The Milky Way contains an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars. But even such a vast structure is, in the scale of the universe, just a floating grain of cosmic dust. Sometimes, if you observe the night sky carefully, you may notice a faint, elliptical smudge of light. That is not a star. It's not a nebula either. It's the Andromeda Galaxy, a colossal system, even larger than the Milky Way. Scientists believe it contains at least 5 times more stars than our galaxy. And beyond that, how many more galaxies lay hidden in the unreachable depths of the cosmos? This image you're looking at is one of the most famous ever taken by the Hubble Space Telescope, the Hubble Ultra Deep Field. It captures a tiny fraction of the sky, only 1/12.7 millionth of the total celestial sphere. And yet, in that seemingly insignificant patch of space, there are around 10,000 galaxies. Yes, every glowing speck in this image is not a star, but an entire galaxy. Each as grand and complex as the Milky Way, or even more so. Astronomers estimate that the observable universe contains over 2 trillion galaxies. If each galaxy holds an average of 100 billion stars, then the total number of stars in the observable universe is roughly to 10 stars. That's a 2 followed by 23 zeros, a number so large it defies imagination. And the sun we see rise and set each day, it's just one among those countless stars. So what are we, really, in the face of the universe? Yes, the universe is unimaginably vast. Human beings, planet Earth, even the mighty Milky Way. In the cosmic scale, their existence or disappearance barely makes a ripple. And the fame, wealth, and status we chase all our lives, what do they really mean, in the grand scheme of things? Rather than endlessly comparing ourselves to others, why not pause for a moment to gaze at the stars? To feel the beauty and majesty of the universe and nature itself, because perhaps the true meaning of life is not in what we own, but in the fact that we were here, we looked up, we wondered, we loved, and for a fleeting moment, we were part of this boundless cosmos.